Hello lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get this really wearable school makeup. I kept everything really simple, really natural. As you can tell, no crazy false lashes going on, no eyeshadows. I love my falsies, I love my smoky eyes, but I wanted to do a realistic school makeup, and this is something that I would definitely wear to school, although it's been 5 years since I graduated. Time flies so fast. Just realized I'm getting old. Anyways, all of the products that I use today are really affordable. I included some of my all-time favorite drugstore products. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. Hope you like this look. And without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Let's go. Alright, so the first and very important step for my makeup routine is priming my face. I'll use this Essence Prime Plus Studio Glow Boosting Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. It's a very lightweight primer. It will make your skin glow and it will prep it for the makeup. For foundation, I'll go with my all-time favorite drugstore foundation. You guys have seen me use this foundation so many times. I absolutely love it. It's the Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade Ivory. I love this foundation because it's very lightweight. It has sheer to medium coverage, and that's amazing because you can barely see it sitting on your skin, but you still get that coverage. It's not one of those thick foundations that when you apply them on your face you can definitely see that you're wearing makeup. No, this one is very discreet. It's perfect for school, and I'm wearing this foundation really often on my everyday basis. Alright, so this is one layer of that foundation. As you can tell, my overall skin tone looks really evened out and everything looks good. However, I still have some blemishes showing through, so I want to cover them up. I'm gonna use a second layer of that foundation, and I'm just gonna add it in the areas where I have my blemishes. These are more like acne scars, they're not active blemishes, but this foundation is also great if you have acne, because I'm pretty sure that you're familiar with that, but usually the skin around the breakouts, it's kind of dry and flaky, and if you try to apply foundation or concealer on top, it can make it look worse because it can exaggerate that dryness of the skin, and instead of making your skin look flawless, it can make it look worse. It can be a total disaster, but I don't see that happening with this foundation. It sits really beautifully on the skin, even if the texture is not perfect, so that's why I'm loving it. So moving on to the brows, I'm gonna use this Essence It's All About Brows 4-in-1 palette. It's really nice one. It has wax and highlighting shade. It's really beautiful. So I'm gonna take this little spoolie that comes with the palette, and I'm gonna take some of the wax right here. I'm gonna load it with that wax and rub it between my fingers like that so that I can get rid of the excess, and then brush my brows in place. This wax will lock the hairs in place. Applying it with this little spoolie because it's so convenient. It's really tiny, but it's, as I said, really convenient. Okay, and I'm gonna mix the two brow powders on an angled brush and use it to fill in my brows. Then on my brow bone, I'll use the Essence Highlight Eyebrow Lifter Pencil. Blending it out. And you can see how that added some light under my brows and it makes them look more lifted. Next up, I'll add some concealer under my eyes. This is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Razor Concealer in the shade Fair. These concealers look so funny without the sponge that they have for applicator, but it's so much more convenient without it. I don't like using that applicator thing. I don't like it. Make sure you bring that concealer in this inner corner right here. You don't want to use a lot of concealer because the more you use, the more it will crease throughout the day. So less is more, you know? I'm also bringing that all over my eyelids. Now take some powder. I'll go with the Maybelline Fit Me and set that concealer on your eyelids. If you don't set it, it will start creasing like 100% throughout the day. So to prevent that, just use some powder on top. We're gonna go back to that powder in a while, but before that, let's go ahead and do some eye makeup. I don't want you to be scared. Today we're gonna do something really simple just to define the eyes. That's it. No eyeshadows, no false lashes, none of those. So I'm taking this Maybelline tattoo liner and I will create a very thin line along my lashes. And I'll go ahead and smudge it. To smudge it, I use the Nabla lashline smudger brush. You can find those brushes everywhere, but I just want to have that little shadow along my lash line because that will make my lashes look more full. It makes my eyes look more lifted, more awake, and it's very diffused and it's a lot more discreet than just a liner. So time for the mascara. I'll go ahead and curl my lashes. For mascara, I'll go with this one here by Maybelline. I have a video where I'm sharing with you some mascara tips and tricks, and I think that you guys will find it really useful, so I'll have it listed down in the description box. So definitely go and check it out after you finish watching this one. Going back to that Maybelline palette, powder. I'll use it to set my face with it. Ooh, so many Maybelline products today, right? Don't forget to set the concealer under your eyes. To bring back some color on the face, I will use this BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in the shade Golden Gal. This will make you look more sun-kissed, it will add some definition to your cheeks. I really like this blush here by Milani. I'm gonna add it on my cheeks. Will give me a little bit more color. Guys, if you're looking for a really intense highlighter which is very affordable, this one here by I Heart Revolution. Obviously you can use a very light hand and create more subtle glow, or you can go a little bit heavy with it and make yourself glow like a disco ball. I'm gonna just mix those two highlighters. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this one here. You can see that I've used it quite a lot. It's really great highlighter. It's slightly more powdery, but just make sure that you tap off the excess once you load your brush with it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my skin. See, I'm telling you, it's a very intense highlighter. You have to be a little bit careful with it if you don't want to look very glowy. So you basically need the tiniest amount. You can also use it on your eyes as an eyeshadow. It's a great product. I'll also bring some of it on my brow bone and in the inner corners of my eyes. Now you can go over that highlighter with your sponge if you want to tone it down. Don't add any product to your sponge, just use it as it is. This is that Ofra sponge that I use to apply my foundation and concealer. It has some leftovers from those products, but it's not loaded with those, it's just leftovers. And you can also do that if you feel like you applied too much blush or bronzer. On the lips, I would do something really simple. In fact, I would do my favorite lip combo. So I'll first line them with this NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, Definitely a Turn On, Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. What? It literally says this lip liner is so good the name had to be this long. NYX, are you okay? What? Okay, I didn't expect that. Okay, it's kind of fun. Anyways, the shade is called Nude Suede Shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with it and fill them in. I recently got this lip liner. I've never used it before, but this color is really close to my natural lip color, so it looks super natural on me. And also, I never had to read out loud the name of it.
Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner.
I'm still in shock. Alright, on top of it, I'll go with this lip gloss by Ofra. The shade is called Pink Panther. And this has been my favorite lip combo lately. Lip liner all over my lips, and then on top of it, some lip gloss. This one has a slight tint in it. Let me show you. See, it's very nice, soft, pink color. It looks beautiful. But yeah, this is what I've been doing on my everyday basis lately. It's quick, it looks nice, and I love it. Okay, and I'm gonna finish up this look with some setting spray. This is the CoverGirl Look Lock-Up All Day Setting Mist. Alright, and this is our final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I haven't done such a toned down kind of everyday kind of look in a really long time, so I really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching too, and if you did, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the bell button, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me on my Instagram. I also post some makeup tutorials there, which I don't post on my YouTube channel. It's like Instagram exclusive makeup tutorials, so if you don't want to miss any of those, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. All of the links are down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one.